Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to Windows 11. First, ensure your printer is powered on and has plenty of paper loaded. For a wired connection, plug the USB cable securely into both your printer and an available port on your computer. If it is a wireless printer, confirm both your computer and the printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This simple preparation makes the next steps much smoother, avoiding common setup hiccups. Now that your printer is ready, let us add it to Windows 11. Open your Start menu, go to Settings, then navigate to Bluetooth and Devices, and select Printers and Scanners. Here, click the Add Device button, then patiently allow Windows to search for available printers on your network or via USB. Once your printer is found, simply select it and follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the connection. It often takes just a few moments. Sometimes Windows might not find your printer automatically, and that is perfectly fine. If it does not appear, click the Add Manually option and choose how you want to add it, perhaps using an IP address or a shared printer. Windows 11 usually handles driver installation seamlessly, but if printing issues arise, visit your printer manufacturer's official website. Download and install the most current drivers specific to your printer model to ensure full functionality and the best performance. Once your printer is connected and drivers are installed, it is time to perform a quick test. In the Printers and Scanner settings, right-click on your newly added printer and select the option to Print Test Page. This confirms everything is working as expected. If you encounter any problems, a simple restart of both your computer and printer can often resolve minor glitches. Also, double-check all your cable connections, ensuring they are firm and secure before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.